In this video, we are on the navigation settings. We've loaded our header, and some of these are a matter of preference. So we're going to talk about them. Show the navigation. Okay, that means this. Do I want to see my navigation bars on my website? I do. Where do you want them? I like them below the header, so I'm going to put below the header. Do I want to navigate to show a home button? If you're doing a capture page, you may not want to. There's a lot of reasons why you may not want to. I like to see a home button. It just gives people a way to get back to your main page of your site. There are different styles. Right now they're tabs, so we're going to choose, let's just choose aqua. Okay, my navigation tab colors. I'm not going to change that here because when we go back to the quick change settings, we're going to change the overall color of our tabs, background, etc. based on our new header. Okay, so I'm not going to change them here, but know that you can override anything that you do. Anything you do here will override what you've set on your quick change settings. Okay, the navigation tabs, how we talked about, and the hover color. Again, that's just talking about what color is this going to be when I hover. What color will the font be? All right, so we've changed it to below, and we've changed the link. So then you can change the text color. Right now it's white. The hover color is the same thing. I like Verdana, as you know, and I like my tabs to be a little bit bigger, so I'm going to just do a drastic change here, make that 16. You can have your tabs to be bold if you want to. You can even remove the border around your menu bar. I don't like to do this, but that's up to you. If we had, I love this option that Ryan added. If we had sub pages, okay, this true button means yes, show an arrow that tells my readers that this tab has a sub page to it. So you could have a category. If you had a training tab, for example, and you had different types of trainings, okay, this would show with a drop down that with an arrow that you had sub pages under that. So that's what that means. Okay, the drop down menu width. Okay, enter the width of your drop down menus. That's if you're going to do drop downs. The drop down height, the color of the background of the drop down. All of this is only if you're going to do sub pages on your blog. All of this has to do with what color your drop down menus are. So I'm going to save the changes now. Just give you a quick view. This is what it looks like before I refresh. And remember, I changed the tab style to the agua, whatever it is, and put it below the menu. I kind of like that. All right. The search we can change. I showed you that earlier. And again, we're going to play around with these options when we go back to change the colors of the blog based on our new header. And again, I'm going to have the designer, now that we've loaded it, move this over a little bit, and this has to be moved too as well, because I really like the RSS subscribe option in the header. That's something that you can decide to keep or not. This ends this video.